So in this video we're going to talk just very briefly about how to put rounded corners on an object or a shape with square corners. And you do that by using the 2-point arc that's here in my toolbar. And let's just focus in over here. You click once, firstly on one side, and then you move over to the other side where you want the corner, the radius to go to. And then you move along that edge until it turns purple like that. You now have this kind of rubber band after you click on it. So in order to get that into the right position, I move along there, and I haven't clicked a third time here. All I've done is move to that position where the radius turns purple. Now what I'm going to do is just type my radius. It's going to be 100, and then I'm going to hit the enter key, and you'll see that now I get my 100 radius automatically, and it trims this edge for me. Now once that's done, I can then go over to my other corners and go near them, but not on the line, but just near them like this, double click, and it then rounds every other corner that I go near and double click, also off to that same 100 radius. Now, I also have these kind of square corners here, but these are the opposite of the previous one. So I have this kind of negative corner. I want to put a radius across here. Same thing works. I'm going to click right here and drag out my tangent, and then I'm just going to drag along this line until it turns purple, and then click again. And then I'm going to move along my line. I'm not clicked yet. I'm just waiting till it turns purple, then I stop. This time I'm going to type in 200 because I want the radius to be 200, and you can see then, now I think I probably made my radius a bit too big just there, so let's go back a second, do the same thing again, but make the radius a little smaller. So 1, second click, and then I move along until it turns purple. I'm going to make my radius a bit smaller. I'll make it 160 this time. And then you can see, because it didn't go beyond where the straight line meets the radius up here, it's now absolutely fine. Now what I can do similarly with this one is I can go over here and double click, and it would do the same radius there. And there I have my radius shape, both outside corners and inside corners.